The only thing this morning's missing is a little bit of crunch. Let's make some chili egg crunchy pancakes. For this one you'll need your Taiwanese pancakes, chili oil, eggs, feta and garlic. Start off by frying off your pancakes in a little bit of butter. This is our second cook with our crumble pans and they crisp them up really nicely. For the eggs, reduce the heat of the pan, add in your butter and garlic and then sprinkle on the feta. Crack in some eggs and don't forget that beautiful chili oil on top. We only had the space for the one pan, so we kept our pancakes warm just on the hot plate. This dish could have so many different combinations, so comment below what you'd have with yours. Cook the eggs to your liking, serve them up on the pancake and get ready for that crunch.